Arrived. The 93 miles an hour on the top of Annoch Moor, the exception rather than the rule. That's on top of a Scottish mountain. But for the rest of northern Britain, as you can see here, we're looking at gusts between about 40 and 60 miles an hour. And as far as the rest of today is concerned, I think it's Scotland that will continue to get a bit of a battering, giving some fairly difficult driving conditions. Now, these winds will be chasing in some quite hefty showers, particularly across northwest Scotland. Further to the east, I think the mountains providing some protection from those showers, so some bright and dry weather there this afternoon. And looking at the bigger picture through the next 24 hours, well, we continue to have some fairly strong winds across Northern Ireland and Scotland, but you can see the arrows slowly getting a little bit smaller there. And the reason? Well, at the moment we've got low pressure close to Iceland. That low is actually going to roll around the south coast of Iceland through the next 24-36 hours and then out into the Norwegian Sea. We keep lots of isobars across the British Isles, so we keep that windy weather. In the south, we've got a weather front. Now, that's going to have lots of little wobbles on it, little areas of low pressure, little run-in from the southwest approaches, and they'll pep up the rain on that weather front from time to time as we go into the weekend. Fairly weak at the moment, that weather front, so just some drizzly rain in the south. For the rest of us, well, brighter as you go up to the northwest, and that's where we'll find those hefty showers and those blustery winds. And indeed, overnight tonight, we'll keep those showers going up to the north, but one of those little wobbles will start to bring some more heavy rain in across the southwest approaches. The winds will be picking up as that little wobble comes in. It means some fairly wet weather, I think, during tomorrow for Wales, the Midlands, across into parts of East Anglia and northeast England. Slightly brighter weather to the south of it, and sunshine and showers to the north of that cloudy zone, with temperatures between about 15 and 21 Celsius. Not the only part of Europe that's got some wet weather at the moment. There is some quite wet weather in northern Turkey. 56 millimetres is just over 2 inches of rain falling in 12 hours. And you can see that's down to this weather front here. Now, there's also an area of low pressure likely to develop in the central Mediterranean, bringing some wet weather there as we go into the weekend. But elsewhere through the Med, still some sunshine to be found, particularly in the Levant and also the Balearic Islands, Spain and Portugal. But as we head northwards once again towards the British Isles, we've got that weather front still with us through the weekend in the south, bringing some outbreaks of rain with wind and showers up to the north. And that's the forecast. Bye-bye.